Welcome back to Global Bike Buzz, where we bring you the latest, the fastest, and the boldest in two-wheel engineering. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated dirt bikes of the year at the 2025 Kawasaki KX 450. This machine isn't just a refresh, it's a statement. If you're a motocross enthusiast or a pro looking for a race-ready monster, you're going to want to stay tuned. Right off the bat, the 2025 KX 450 stuns with its aggressive styling. From the front, you can't miss the sharp fender design and the redesigned number plate that cuts through the air like a blade. The LED lighting setup, new for this year, is subtle but adds a modern touch, blending seamlessly into the bike's sharp, angular lines. The triple clamps are now anodized in a stealthy black, giving it a sleek, professional-grade appearance. Kawasaki hasn't just gone for looks, every element serves a purpose, with revised plastics aimed at improving aerodynamics and rider ergonomics. Move to the side and the changes are even more apparent. The new bodywork is slimmer, flatter, and shaped to let riders move effortlessly across the seat during aggressive maneuvers. Kawasaki's signature lime green color pops vibrantly under natural light, contrasted perfectly by the blacked-out frame and engine covers. The aluminum perimeter frame remains, but it's been revised for 2025 to improve handling stiffness and flex characteristics. The updated graphics are molded into the plastics, ensuring they stay crisp after endless motos and power washes. From the rear, the KX 450 carries a more race-focused silhouette than ever before. The tail section is narrow and tucked in tight, reducing drag and making whip-style landings smoother. The rear fender flows cleanly from the seat, making it easier for riders to grip with their legs and providing more control in the air. The exhaust system has been tweaked for better weight distribution and a throatier sound, while still meeting noise regulations. But of course, the real star of the 2025 KX 450 is its completely revamped engine. Kawasaki didn't just tweak the old motor, they rebuilt it. It's still a 449cc liquid-cooled, 4-stroke single, but now features a new cylinder head, redesigned intake ports, and a more efficient combustion chamber. The result: better throttle response, improved low-to-mid torque, and increased top-end power. Whether you're powering through a loamy berm or launching off a triple, this engine delivers the grunt and the precision you need. The electronic package has also seen major upgrades. The KX 450 now comes equipped with Kawasaki's updated launch control mode and 3 selectable riding maps: A standard, aggressive, and soft A, which can be customized via smartphone app using built-in Bluetooth connectivity. For 2025, the KX finally gets traction control, a welcome addition that will help both pros and amateurs maintain stability on slick or uneven terrain. Paired with the engine is a refined 5-speed transmission that's more robust and shifts smoother than in past iterations. The clutch is a hydraulic unit with cone disc springs, reducing fade during long rides and giving a consistent feel at the lever. Everything about this bike screams precision. On the suspension side, Kawasaki is sticking with the proven Showa 49mm coil spring fork up front and a Unitrack rear shock. Both ends have been revalved for improved bump absorption and cornering stability, especially on rough tracks. You'll notice more confidence in whoop sections and a better sense of control under heavy braking. Performance-wise, the 2025 KX 450 is razor sharp. It corners like it's on rails and feels balanced in the air. The weight distribution has been slightly revised, shifting a bit more to the front end for added traction during turns. The braking system features updated pads and calipers, giving the KX 450 solid stopping power without fading under pressure. Riders will especially appreciate the refined chassis feedback. It's more intuitive, giving better response to rider input, whether you're mid-race or hitting a casual trail. So, what does this level of engineering cost? The 2025 Kawasaki KX 450 comes in with an MSRP around $10,599. That positions it right in the mix with other top-tier 450s from Honda, Yamaha, and KTM. But Kawasaki's offering this year stands tall with factory-level features, out-of-the-box adjustability, and a winning heritage that can't be ignored. All in all, the 2025 KX 450 isn't just a motorcycle, it's a race weapon. Whether you're battling bar-to-bar on the pro circuit or just chasing adrenaline on the weekends, this bike is built to deliver. Kawasaki has once again proven that they're not playing catch-up, they're pushing the front of the pack. Thanks for tuning into Global Bike Buzz. Don't forget to like, subscribe,